Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Pod and we are in a YouTube playlist that is a web scraping. In today's video, we are going to discuss about EXA tool. EXA is also one of the web scraping library and it is not a traditional web scraping library like BeautifulSoup or Selenium, but it is an AI search engine API that searches web and returns high quality web pages. It summarizes it and optionally cleaned web pages contents. It saves you from manually scraping the HTML. Now, in this video, we are going to cover everything like why to use EXA, what is exactly EXA, how to use it, when to use it, where to use it, and what are the advantages, limitations, how to get the API keys, what are the prices. We will complete this video in two parts. One is theoretical and one is practical. In practical, we will see the actual source code, how it works, how to run it, and how we get the responses. So, what is exactly EXA? EXA is an AI-powered search engine designed for LLMs. So instead of going to Google and searching the website, downloading the HTML, parsing the HTML, removing the CSS, and extracting text, EXA does the exact URLs it goes, then it tracks the title, it gives the AI ranking, and it cleans the text and provides in metadata. So it is helpful for AI agents, RAG, research, LLM applications, new search, market research, company research, and finding the documentations. I will show you the live source code and how the application works. And I have provided the source code in my GitHub repository, and the link is present in the description box. So here you can see the requirement.txt, three libraries are there. So ExaPy is one of the library. This is most important. Then .env to get access to this env. Then Streamlit is a web frame, and we have imported this. This is the API key and simple this is Streamlit title. Then here in query we provided this input text box where we provide a few words. Then if the search button is pressed, then the result go here, and in that result you will get all the content. Here in result, you will see the subheader, then URL, then text. Text is limited to 1000 words. You can extend it as well. Then divider, only 37 lines of code. And this is EXA env, the virtual environment we have created. EXA env, you can see. Now I will run the code. Remlit run exa, sorry, app.py. Hit enter. Now you can see EXA AI Search. So if I type football and click on search, then you can see here the content like this FIFA .com. Then this is the content. Then after that, a Wikipedia content is there. Then BBC.com content is there. More stories. So football is okay. So here, if you go on this site like Wikipedia, you can see the heading is also there, URL is also there, and the neat and cleaned description is there. Means it is not searching only on Google, but it is going through the websites and getting the details as well. Means this is not just like two lines of snippet as your Tavily and Gensarp and Surfer does, but it gives you a detailed description as well. So we will check the accuracy now. I will go here, Wikipedia website. So you can see association football, commonly known as, and around pitch. So around pitch. Okay, this is first paragraph. Then second paragraph is most popular sports. So most popular sports. So this is second paragraph. Then association and so on. So association till except for the means except for the, so you can see except for there, as we have limited it to 1000 words, 1000 characters. So that's why it is limited here, but we can extend the limit as well. So this is how it works. Now we will see how to get EXA API key. EXA API Key. So this is also same. First of all, you have to yes, get API key and try it. So this is a website. You just have to create your account and you have to paste your API key. So these are the examples of API key. You can get it from here. And after that, there will be pricing as well. So this is the documentation. And here you can see the pricing as well. So $120 in credits per year. So this is free version, pay as you go, and custom enterprise. So this is about the pricing. You can see. So that's it about EXA API. So now we will see what are the advantages and limitations of these EXA API. So advantages are it is good for AI search. It search by meaning, not just by keywords. It provides the clean text, written web pages text directly. No beautiful soup is there. It is very fast. Within 1 to 3 seconds, it gives you response. It is excellent for LLM. It is built for GPT applications, and whatever the text is generated is you can send it to LLM as well. So it will convert into embedding, and that vectors will be stored in the vector database. Then documentation search. It is great for Python, FastAPI, AWS, OpenAI, LangChain. It is good for research to find out the papers, blogs, news, documentation. Very less coding is required, as we have seen, and not free forever. It is like this. This is the limitation. Like once you exhaust the free credits, you have to pay for it. You have to pay as you go. You cannot do logins and to the websites like this will be automated with the help of your Selenium. You cannot click the buttons, cannot fill the form, cannot download the dynamic data. So these are some limitations of EXA that can be overcome with the help of Selenium Playwright. And when to use EXA? When you are searching, you are using RAG, building RAG, LLM, AI agent search, knowledge base, you are finding some articles, then definitely you should use EXA. And when not to use, if you want some browser automation, then you should not use EXA. So, where is the exact actually used? As I say, to build the AI chatbot, enterprise knowledge discovery, market, and competitive intelligence, you have to use EXA. So that's it. We have covered almost everything about EXA. So, if you really like my video, if you like my efforts, and then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Better Call Paul. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.